Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be taking some eyeshadow palette sleeves and turning them into wall art for my vanity. I have here the Saharan 2 by Juvia'S Place packaging sleeve. I love the artwork on the Juvia'S Place palettes. I think it's very beautiful, very colorful, and because of that, I couldn't bring myself to throwing these in the recycling bin. So I'm going to use them for this DIY instead. So I'll start off with the Saharan 2 sleeve and then I'll do the Zulu packaging sleeve after. I'll show you the rest of my supplies here. I have here a frame. I bought this from Dollarama. It was $1.50 and it is 8.5 by 11 inch. This is cardstock paper in a rose gold metallic finish. I buy my cardstock paper from Michael's, but I think you can also get them at, any department store that has an arts and crafts section. This is illustration board. You can get illustration board from any arts and crafts store. I'm pretty sure that Michael's carries illustration board, but I mean, you can also use canvas, poster paper, even white cardstock paper if you wanted to. I have here a ruler, a glue gun, an x-acto knife, a marker, a pencil, and then some sparkly gold ribbon. I will also be using the actual palette for this DIY because I'm going to do some eyeshadow swatches as well. So that's it for these supplies. Let's get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so here are the framed sleeves with the swatches. Overall, I'm really happy with how these turned out. I'm glad that I restrained myself and kept these as simple as possible. I think they're going to look nice displayed on my vanity. I also think these would be perfect for those of you that have makeup related channels. You can use these as a backdrop, display all your favorite makeup palette sleeves along with swatches. I don't know, I think that would look really neat. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, take care and bye.